Good evening. So, hi. Have a good day. Have a good night here in Philippines. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Paano na igab ang electric pan ko yan? Hello, everyone. Hi. Can you talk? You can talk. Please. Better not fall asleep. Yes. Yes, I'm not fall asleep. I'm not. Bonjour. Hi, Michael. Welcome back, Michael. How are you, Michael? Sa tamang panahon. Thank you for watching. Hi, sis. Gabalian ano mo? Kay maimod ka ni tita mo. Hindi ka halian mo na yung nasa ko ng kami mo ka ni tita mo. Ano? Tita mo ba siya? Hi, tita. Hi, insan. Oh, may oni ko iho. Ala. Aray ko. Masuplado.
Mama, ako na niya nasarap na lechon. Oh,
Sige.
yay!
Pang suplado naman kong anak ko. Feel na feel. Hello. Binata na si Gabi. Binata na si Gab. Thank you for watching. Saram san ano ha, san ligid-ligid lang. Regda lang. No? Kurulog mo sa lasing kahirigda ha. Sarap sa buhay. Rohigda lang, ganar. May ayuda. Kasirap. Sana all. Sana ganun ang buhay. Hi, Manay Basyon. Kumusta? From Cha. Manibasyon. Manibasyon. Mga sis. Thank you for watching. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Ito magayong pa din. Think positive, no? Ito magayong pa din. Maganda pa din. Ganun dapat, no? Stay young and beautiful. Feel young and beautiful. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Tama yan. Stay young and beautiful. Tama. Okay naman. Working. Ayun. A real life, real talk. Work is life. Feels P-bells slide. P-bells pala. Kahit sa tubig, ilaw. Oh. Insurance, mga ganyan. But out na ako, back to work. I just wanna say hi. Thank you, Insan. Salamat, Insan, sa pagbisita. Yun ang reality, Insan. Tama. Real life. Real life. Sa tamang panahon, darating din. Ang sakit ng kamay ko. Bakit? Nyari? Nyari? Matanda na talaga. Ako nga parang makulog ng mga lawas ko pero gugurang nagtao ng mga siki. Singkala ka o. Singkabaklay. Hi, Tonis Pagpags. Oo nga. Manay, work. Gonna go, mga insan. Have a good night to you all. Thank you, bisita. Good night and good morning to you there in US. Ingat lagi. God bless. Stay healthy. Iwas sa mga toxic. Ganyan. Ignore toxic people. Lalo na sa scammer. Trabaho din sila. Madali kumita ng pera. You have a boyfriend or married? I have a boyfriend and I'm getting married at Tony's Fogs. Thank you so much, mga insan. You too both. Take care. Salamat din. Ingat lagi dyan. God bless. Stay healthy. Stay young and beautiful. Stay young and beautiful. Lavern lang. Hi, toxic people. Mas maigi na lang mag-isa. Tama. Sa nag-hi talaga. Sambinati pa no. Hi for the toxic people. Hello. Binigyan pa ng ano no. Tama. Tama po, Tony Pugs. Huwag tayong stress. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Pero pag wala pera, nakaka-stress talaga. My God. Makalag sa ala. Lahat masakit. Kahit wala kang mararamdaman, may magkakasakit ka talaga. Isip po na ako, pagod match. Sige, bye sis. Rest. Kailangan ipahinga. Tapos, ingat lagi dyan. God bless. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Bam, bam, bam. Ha? Sa tamang panahon, darating din yun. Don't so you wanna be in that dust. Ganon, laga ka. Every night in my dreams, I say you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on. Here for. Ha, ha. Hi, Stephen. Hello. How are you, Stephen? Where are you from? Darating din yan. Ikaw naman. You got to give me your number. You got to. Why? Las Vegas. Why should I give you my number? For what? For what the reason? Give me for a reason. Ano, I can't find. Say. Hi, okay, then bye. Enjoy. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for visiting. God bless. Thank, thank you for joining. Stephen. Darating din yun. Bakit kailan ng puso? Why? Why I insult you? Why you say that? I'm not. I think I'm not. Yes. Why you say that? Stephen, you don't need to give you shit. Thanks. Now you lost me. Ah, why? I don't know you and you don't know me, so what's wrong? Why should I talk to you then? Okay, okay, you need to find someone to talk. Sorry. Sorry, Stefan. Maybe you need to find better. Good should never need to just maybe you need to find another because I'm too much busy. I have no time for people. Time is the curious name. Time is the curious name. Sa tamang panahon. I'm gonna ban Stefan. I don't like temporary. Why? Why Stephen? Why? What's wrong with you? Yeah, funny for me. I like doing that. Sun. I know. He's okay. I wonder if he is laughing now. I don't know. He, I don't know him, and he don't know me, and he don't know you, so maybe it's without. I saw yesterday. He's banned. Ah, okay. Maybe you need to find someone to talk. Maybe he just want to talk. So I have no. I'm too much busy to talk to him. I have no time. Don't fall asleep. Yeah. Darating din ay, ay. Good night, little angel. Good night. Good night, Rodrigo. Are you there? I'm fine. I'm fine, always fine. Hi, the Gerald Stella. Hello. phone thinking. No, she is falling asleep. And I'm falling asleep. Bye bye.